let's just say I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna do like I'm gonna say stop, and wherever I stop, I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna do something random, but it's gonna be with my shoulder, with my arm together, or both, and then I'll switch to stopping one side, and I'll do just the other side. Okay? So should we keep going? Okay, stop. Okay, so you see how like I landed? Okay, so I'm in a kind of a unique stance. My left leg pointed forward. Maybe I want to go like that. Boom, boom. Okay. Boom. You're like shimmying. So remember, the shimmy with the shoulders is like this, right? Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. Let's just try one shimmy with the left. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Let's try like throwing it like up. Boom, boom, boom. You see how the arm wants to like habitually, like naturally kind of right angle. It's kind of cocked like this. Boom. And it feels good. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Boom. Maybe you go under. It's almost like you're doing a jab. Boom, boom, boom. If it feels unnatural or uncomfortable, keep working with this, all of this, and it will become, natural over time. But boom, boom. Maybe you're shimmying. Okay. Maybe you're going backwards with the jab. I do this a lot, actually. I'll be like boom, 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 boom. Okay. I'm gonna go back to like just standing, neutral stance, right? Relax. Again, like sometimes I'll be like this, and I'll be like boom, boom, boom. Kind of like you're, not really in fight, but you're kind of like elbowing, but it's almost like almost kind of like the percolator, but not really. But you're kind of like boom, 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 But we're just using our arm. Let's drop the arm, just do the shoulder, up, down. But you see how it creates this whoop, 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 whoop. It's like a boom, boom, boom. So boom, boom, boom. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. It's almost like hip hop now. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Boom, boom, boom. Okay? More aggressive. Boom, boom, boom. Try the other side. Boom, boom, boom. And all I'm doing is just taking my shoulder, one point. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm adding more expressiveness now to it, okay? So let's go right. We're going right, in, out, okay? This is exactly like what hip hop is. Because I'm adding the arms now, but it's just getting more advanced. I'm adding more layer to it, more texture. So again, let's see what else I can do. Let me spin around again. Okay. Stop. Okay, so I'll have my hands on my hips here. Maybe, you could just go like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, hands are on my hips. Didn't plan that, but you know what I'm saying? Just the more you practice this, you'll get comfortable with trying different things, and maybe your hand will be up here, and you'll be there. You'll grab your elbow. You'll do some electro, Okay. Maybe you just never know. And, where was I? So I was like this. I had my hands on my hips, and I was alternating, kind of like chicken dance, right, or whatever. I was shooting my elbow forward, and the other one forward as well. And I was, it's like right leg to left leg, Or you can do same, of course, but you'll find yourself out of balance. So kind of like when you're jogging or walking, boom, 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 boom. Let's drop the arms. Let's drop the arms and just do like a strut like this. See how it changes your look and your appearance? Kind of like when you cross your running band over. This is a square running band, right? Remember the square running band from Series 1 and Series 3, and then you start crossing it. Boom, boom. Well, it's like same thing for this demonstration, you know? I'm swaying the arms, boom, 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 boom. So we went from this to this, okay? All of this adds swagger, it adds flair. Look at this. All I'm doing is bending at the hip. But look at the amount of like swag. Look how much it changes. You know, my head is cocked. I'm bent over to the side. You know, remember again, kind of a little bit more hip hop, or you know, you're in a battle, or you're going up to someone and you're gonna maybe do a diss or a move, and you're kind of like this. Cross your arms now, right? Right? Boom, boom, boom. Let's do the other side, you know? Okay? You know? Maybe you're alternating. Maybe you're like, boom, boom, boom. See? You see how you can create all this different like movement and like creativity with both sides of the body? You know, different tech. Let's just do one arm. Watch just one arm swing. Boom, boom, right? You kind of like, kind of pimping, you know? You kind of, you just give it a good stroll, like a good like swagger walk, you know? But this is just like this is just teaching you how to move your body, but in a more like fun and like flair / effective, creative way while you're dancing to the music, you know? And once you do this stuff, boom, 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 you know, it'll start to unlock more and more. You'll start to feel the groove, and you'll start to pick up on the fibers of the song and the music and the rhythm and the beat and the sound and the hymn and the everything. And it'll start to all just blend together, and you'll start to just start to walk like you're walking and talking, you know, like you're brushing your teeth, like you're breathing, you know, habitually without thinking, right? And I've said that before in some of my other videos. You know, you just gotta practice and create different combos, just like I'm doing. Watch right now. I'm gonna walk right now with my hands like this. Okay, this is, you know, we're just working on arms still and shoulders. Let's just do, you know, one arm like this. You know, you're kind of across the lower half of your body. You know, again, and maybe I want to like, you know, maybe you're like creating like a, you know, then maybe you go like this. Maybe you're like 1, 2, and then you go like over your head, boom, into like you whip it, you know, or you catch it, as we were practicing that earlier, you know. So maybe you're like 1, 2, 3. You know, you swing, or you swing over and you break right where you can't force it anymore. You break the hands right here, you break the chain, and you come back, boom, give it a little side stance to the camera, to the audience, whoever you're facing, and you give it a little whip, you know, boom, like that. Here's the other side, okay? You know, maybe you're walking towards your opponent or whoever, and you're just like, you just want to wave your arms like this. You can do that, you know, but then be ready. Be ready. What are you going to do at the end, you know? Let's see. Let's try it. This is completely random. Maybe I'm walking up to someone right now in a battle or whatever, or I'm just dancing and I'm like whipping my hands like this. Boom, boom, boom. You know, maybe I have a ball of energy or something, you know? Maybe I tossed something to you or pushed it away. Let me do it this way, okay? We're just like doing kind of a windmill. Boom. Maybe you go like that, and you push back, you know? There's just so many things that you could do. Let's just do one arm. We're just going like 1, 2, 3, you know? Now that was using like legs and my feet to push, but you know what I'm saying? There's so many things. Maybe I'm pulling, okay? Maybe I'm pulling with my arms, like a mime, you know? Just think of ways to move, but remember the training, remember the drills of like engage your shoulders, you know? Wind yourself back, and then, okay, what is that going to lead to? I don't know. If you're winding your shoulders back, try moving backwards and see what happens. Try doing it in pace with the music or pause. Right? And then maybe you come forward and you're like, boom. Right? And look what it starts creating this effect. And then your arms naturally kind of want to do this because you're running and you're like, boom, boom, boom. Okay? You're almost like it's like we were doing this earlier. It's almost kind of like jazzy, you know, kind of performance, but you're like, boom, 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 boom. Okay? And then maybe you get to the finish line and the ending, you're like, boom, 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 boom. You look up, boom. Push back. Element of surprise. Or whatever. You know? So this is how I've taught myself like how to just be quirky and be yourself, and you know, from taking tons and tons of lessons with other instructors before me, and you know, the drill of the up, down, left, right, diagonal, you know, with the head, starting to the head, the shoulders, to the torso, the chest, arms with the shoulders as well, you know, chest, like I said, you know, your midsection, okay, your midsection to your hips, okay, to your legs, to your feet, you know. Everything you do, you want to practice going in a up, down, left, right motion, diagonal. Look, you know, boom. Look how much this changes just when I step out with my feet, you know. Let's add the shoulders too, and the arms, since we're still working on shoulders and arms. So, you see how that adds like more flair. It adds more, more flair, more like swag, more oomph, you know, versus no arms and shoulders. You're just stepping out, you know. Let's try the chest once. See how that changes it? Boom. And you start to see when you add the arms, the chest, and the shoulders, boom, and you get more explosive. You get more loud. Boom. Okay. Let's try this way for the angle. Boom. Okay. Let's try it with just shoulders and no arms. It's like shoulders and chest. Boom. Okay. Again, let's just step out, and we're kind of stepping out. If this is my front, left, or left, this is my right, my left here. This is like the diagonal. We're stepping in the diagonal. I'm going to do the shoulders with the arms. Boom. Okay. This again is just completely random, and let's say you're adding it in the shuffle. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe you go like that, you know. And it kind of dragged my toe right there. I was like, okay. So once you lab, and if you don't know what labbing means, it means getting in the lab, getting into the studio right here where the mirrors are at behind me and in front of me, getting in that corner or that garage, whatever it is you have, and you need to just practice this stuff, because it's like, how do you know how to move your body in a certain way, you know, if you've never practiced it before? You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta practice certain moves, and some things are more a little complex than others, of course, but it's not supposed to be easy. It's homework, but you get to reap the fruits of your labor if you practice enough. And this is how you make practicing fun. On some of the previous videos or some of the other ones, I had music going, and it's hard for me to not dance because I just want to move my body all the time. I want to dance. So for some of these tutorials, there will be music, and some there will not be music. But understand that training in silence first might help, and then you can add some music later, because the music just takes you, right? And when the music just takes you, and you've practiced this for a good 40 plus hours, let's say a month's worth, a couple months worth, and then all of a sudden you're going to be doing, all these expressive, moves like no problem, Okay? So don't get discouraged. You just have to practice. And I myself am still learning. There's an endless possibility of moves and different angles that you could do, and up, down, left, right, diagonal. Don't forget the diagonals, if I didn't say that already.